Alright guys, anything that moves, I'm just scanning a lot of area. Just looking for movement really. Coyotes, pigs. Can't shoot deer. It's highly frowned upon. And no cows. Good eye. There you go, good shot.
You want to finish him off, Rob? Yeah, get a shot on him.
All right, there you go.
That is sweet.
Yeah! Hell yeah. Give me some. All right. Oh, good shot. Here's a handful of pigs right here. Y'all ready? Just start at the closest one, guys, okay? Work your way up. That way they don't all scatter.
All right. Suck it, hog.
Coyote. 12 o'clock. Oh, hell. Good shot.
In Missouri, we should gut shoot him.
There you go. Good shot. Oh, yeah.
He's a little guy.
There you go. Good shot.
Finally.
Alright, where's his buddy at? Do you see him?
He's off to our left there. See him?
No, sir? Oh, yeah, standing there, broadside. Shoot him again right there in the head. Shot. Good shot. Blew his eyeball out.
Yeah.
Here we go. Next contestant. Oh, nice shot.
It's real decent, Rob. Thank you. Safety's on.
Thank you.
Get down here off to our left.
Yeah, I get him right there. shot.
Push your button down. I said, did you shoot? No, I didn't have a chance. Quick trigger.
Whatever stays to the left, you keep an eye on that one. Try to get this lead one out here.